Minasan konnichiwa. This is Miss Lee or Ri Sensei. I'm just here to talk you through Activity 8, which is called the Timetable Reading Test. So Activity 8, 9 and 10 are part of your assessment for this term, your final assessment, and you are completing this in your last week of Term 3. So hopefully you've got your booklet in front of you, and if you need to go back over anything, just ask your teacher to pause the video and go back if you missed any of the instructions. But starting off with Activity 8, A. The copy of Taki's timetable below is missing the kanji for the days of the week. Using the options provided, please write the letter for the correct kanji in the corresponding space. You do not need to write the kanji. The romaji for each subject can be found on the next page. So looking at the top, it means we've got A, B, C, D, E. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, but jumbled up. So what we need to do is write the letter at the top here. So I know that E is Monday, so I'm going to put a letter E right there, etc. for the rest of them. You can find these on the next page, at the top of the next timetable, just if you need that. Then, B, answer the following questions about Taki's timetable. Circle or highlight the option that correctly answers the question in Japanese below. So we've got 3 options here. The question is, on this day of the week and this lesson, what does he have? So, getsuyobi no 1時間目は何ですか? So I need to find this day and this lesson. So I'll find the day along the top, the lesson along the side, and then I'll just circle or highlight whichever option I think it is. And the second question is similar, but it's a true or false. So hai means yes, iie means no. We've got the question here, so this day, this lesson, is the subject this? So we're looking for that in the timetable if it matches. Yes, hai, if it is on that day in lesson. Iie, no, if it's not. And 3, 4 and 5 are all in English. What does Taki have on Thursday lesson 5? So I'm going to go Thursday lesson 5. This is the subject. You need to translate that to English. Same as Wednesday lesson 3. And how many times does he have Japanese? If you can't read the hiragana there, you can find it on this page next to it, Activity 9. You'll see that it's pronounced taiku. So if you can translate that to English and write it on the line, that's what you need to do. Next, Activity 9. So hopefully your teacher pauses it and you are ready to do that. But once you're done, Activity 9, Mitsuha is coming to Mara Scion College on exchange. Help her to translate her timetable into Japanese. Note that there are some free lessons that will be blank because she has extra time to study English. Be careful not to write in those lessons. So this is the blank timetable with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday along the top, and then lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 along the vertical axis, and right below we have the lessons. So first thing, I need lesson 1 is music. So I need to write the word for music in there. All of the subjects are at the top here. I know that music is ongaku, so I'm going to write ongaku in that lesson. Whenever there's a free, like lesson 3 on Monday is a free, I'm just going to put a big cross over that so I don't accidentally write in it. The second part of this is to do the times. So a few pages ago, you actually did the times for the lesson at Mara. So if you've done that already, you can copy it straight into there. Or if you haven't, you might need to go back to Activity 2, where you've got the times, so you can write the times in Japanese so that the full timetable is in Japanese. So this is a lot of Japanese writing, but once you've done this task, you are done for this term of heavy Japanese work. It's out of 20 marks there, so you have 1 mark for all of the subjects that go in there. And then write about your timetable is the above standard option. If you can write a paragraph in full Japanese sentences. So for example, on Monday in lesson 1, I study Japanese. I like Japanese because it's interesting. There's a bit of vocabulary box here to help you, and you've got your learning mat from term 1. If you remember, we did on Monday, I play cricket with my brother. You can use those sorts of sentences to write full Japanese sentences to go above standard. You've also got Aya Sensei to help you, or you can email Monday Sensei or myself, and we can do our best to help you as well. So that is an optional task, just highlighting that you don't have to do that, but if you've done this quickly and you've got extra time, please do. I'd really like everyone to finish this test, activity 8 and 9 in one lesson. So without further ado, I will let you get on to it. 皆さん頑張ってください. Good luck!